Varun Dhawan and Shraddha Kapoor will be seen sharing screen space for the very first time in Remo D'Souza's directorial venture ABCD2. Prabhu Deva and Lauren are also part of this dance-based film, which will be shot extensively in Las Vegas. And the film will hit theaters next year on June 26th. Varun took to Twitter to announce the release date of his much-awaited dance drama. He wrote on the popular social networking site that it will release on 26 June 2015. In all his films, Shraddha hasn't done much of dancing on screen. But we hear she's putting in a lot of efforts for this film, as it requires her not only to dance well but to look muscular too. In a recent interview, she said that Varun is a fantastic dancer. She is nervous to match dance steps with him. She has been working very hard for this film and has been asked to get a muscular body for ABCD2 as it is the demand of the script. So lately, she has been on a strict diet and developing muscles.
अंधेरे को अंधेरा नहीं, सिर्फ रोशनी मिटा सकती है। नफरत को नफरत नहीं, सिर्फ प्यार मिटा सकता है।